Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and access hundreds of games on console, PC, and cloud, follow these step-by-step instructions to activate your subscription. Step 1. Visit the Xbox website or open the Xbox app on your console or PC. Make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account that you want to use for Game Pass. Step 2. Navigate to the Xbox Game Pass section and select Xbox Game Pass Ultimate from the available subscription options. Review the features and pricing information. Step 3. Click Join or Subscribe to begin the purchase process. If you're a new subscriber, you may be eligible for a promotional trial period at a discounted rate. Step 4. Enter your payment information, including credit card details, or choose an alternative payment method like PayPal. Review the subscription terms and billing cycle. Step 5. Confirm your purchase by clicking Buy or Subscribe Now. Your subscription will be activated immediately, and you'll receive a confirmation email from Microsoft. Step 6. On your Xbox console, press the Xbox button on your controller and navigate to the Game Pass tab to browse the available game library. Step 7. Select games you want to download and install. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate includes over 400 games across console, PC, and cloud streaming with Xbox Cloud Gaming. Step 8. Set up Xbox Cloud Gaming by downloading the Xbox app on your mobile device or accessing it through a web browser to play games on the go without downloads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.